three contestants. They get a minute each. First one up, Wanted Vibes. Run the track.
Thought no man, I wanted vibes, you know. I'm say wanted, I don't want the media to get it wrong. I'm not a fugitive or a menace to society. I'm just wanted by my ladies and also the rest of my fun. Them not like me no know why them a find me. And I do things it spite me. Pray to the Almighty. Me say me have to survive, I fi make it in a life. I wanted vibes, me say me not textile. Just show me a sign, him open my eyes, him tell me stay far from dirty bad mind. Cause them a squeeze lime and a dash be a eye. And I try them best, it commit be a crime. Nowhere, no there, nowhere. Them can't take mine. Every time will tell, hunger time will tell. Hunger time will tell. Simone them say them are your friend, and them same one well want see you dead. Hunger time will tell. Hunger time will tell. Hunger time will tell. Them say them are your friend, and them
Them say is a friend and them want to see you dead.
Them same one.
Them same one. How much you give Wanted
I like his
Vibes?
style. It's laid back,
Yep.
but it's unique. I'm going to give him a 3.5.
3.5 for Wanted Vibes. Where is Parallax? Here is Parallax.
Well, it's before all Rasta, man. Para to the locks. Why is that Salaman? Parallax dispensary, we are right song from me, they are elementary. Words in our head, enough like word in dictionary. DBG, big like the military, medical marry. Parallax dispensary, we are right song from me, they are elementary. Words in our head, enough like word in dictionary. When he with him done them time, that we no marry. Some say artist, but we are musician. Drop a one beat, make me build a hit song. Para come fi heal the nation. With the music heal the tension. When me sing and meditate, love me make me concentrate. Investigate your allegate like about me detonate. Sing a God song and read Zion Gate. And all bad thoughts on my mind terminate. Medical music dispensary. We are right song from me, they are elementary. Words in a head enough like
Laid
Call
back.
music dispense it.
Laid back
I just wish I
to
had a little more energy.
easing up Parallax.
3 3/4.
3 3/4. And the final contestant this morning on Rollout on the Friday is Skillfoot, who say him is not a bad, him is a dancer. This is why I'm foot skill.
Yo, Sky. I Skillfoot, I say, yo, the killing don't make sense, yo. I'm afraid I won't watch news. God, no. Never. Mother a ball, father a ball. You them a rise up something with all. Every day a next man mar up in wall. John no star. Get on you, put down the gun, put down the gun. Put down the gun, put down the gun. Tired to see blood a run. Tired to see blood a run. Get on you, put down the gun, put down the gun. Put down the gun, put down the gun. Love girl make money have fun. Love girl make money have fun. Yo never I want one. Tell me what I want. You know since a gunshot a blow like storm. The youth they made hot, yo, they not come. Yo never them just kill one. Mama a cry, she a cry. Every day a next ghetto youth a fi die. Tomorrow a fly high to the sky. Tell me why? Ghetto youth put down the gun, put down the gun. Put down the gun, put down the gun.
Yeah, lyrics nice this morning. Skillfoot. How much you give Mas? Is it Mr. Foot or Mas Skill? 4? Skillfoot. It's 4. But
Hope we are. Yes.
733-2461-6 are the numbers to call. You
guys
will decide
decide.
who will take us out. Is it going to be Wanted Vibes, Parallax, and Skillfoot? And lyrics nice, all three, nice lyrics. All right, we're going to take a
Tiny break?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to take a tiny
Which
break.
means about 30 seconds, I will come back.
We'll be right back.